how to update or change payment info on Netflix. So let's get started. In this case, I'm not going to use Netflix app. Instead of this, we need to use Chrome. Go netflix.com and simply sign in. After you sign in, you will be directed to Netflix app, but we need to use netflix.com version. So what you need to do is open again Chrome, Google Netflix. Now we are logged in. So what we need to do here is simply tap and hold and then open in a new tab. Now I'm gonna check my new tab here. And as you can see, we need this, netflix.com browse. And now we need to click on these three horizontal lines in the corner. Next, account. And here we can simply manage payment method. See, I can update my existing card or I can add new payment method. Thank you for watching. Have a great week and see you later.